This year, we took a week off from work and embarked on a spiritual retreat to Kasar Devi Temple in Uttarakhand. As I set off on this journey, my heart raced with excitement and curiosity. Nested high in the Himalayas, this temple promised not just tranquility, but a profound awakening. Little did I know this week would be a journey into my soul. Located in the charming village of Kasar, just a few kilometers from Almora, this ancient temple stands at an elevation of about 1800 meters. It's not only a spiritual haven, but also a place where nature and history intertwine. The crisp mountain air and the tranquil ambience create an ideal setting for reflection and meditation, drawing seekers from around the globe. Arriving at the temple felt like stepping into another realm. The ancient architecture and the serene atmosphere enveloped me, whispering promises of healing and insight. In that moment, I knew I had found a special place. Kasar Devi is more than just a temple, it's a beacon of spiritual energy. Here, every breath feels sacred, and meditation opens the door to profound revelations. I could sense the echoes of countless seekers who have walked this path before me. Kasar Devi has been a refuge for great saints like Paramahansa Yoganand and Swami Vivekananda. Yoganand spent time here drawn by the temple's energy, experiencing deep revelations. Their legacies remind us of the transformative power of the sacred space, inspiring us to seek our own truths. Kasar Devi is situated along the Van Allen geomagnetic lines, making it an extraordinary spot for meditation. These lines represent zones of concentrated geomagnetic energy on Earth believed to enhance spiritual practices. NASA has conducted research in this area to understand how these geomagnetic fields affect human consciousness and behavior. They found that locations like Kasar Devi, Machu Picchu, and Stonehenge are situated along these energy lines, suggesting that such places may possess a unique property that amplify meditation and introspection. The geomagnetic energy can create a conducive environment for deep meditation by helping to synchronize brain waves and promoting a sense of calm and clarity. The alignment with these magnetic fields can potentially enhance mental focus and spiritual experiences, making Kasar Devi a powerful sanctuary for those seeking deep connections with themselves. During my week at Kasar Devi, I established a routine that centered me. Each morning, I rose with the sun, meditating in the quiet of the temple. The warm rays ignited my spirit, and I felt an overwhelming sense of connection to everything around me. I poured my thoughts into my journal, capturing the insights that flowed through me. I also spent time connecting with locals, sharing stories over tea, and learning about their way of life. These moments grounded me, and I began to uncover deeper layers of myself. Every day felt like a new chapter, filled with revelations and growth. The peace I found here was unlike anything I had ever experienced. I learned to embrace stillness and listen to the whispers of my heart. In this sacred space, I confronted my fears and insecurities. I learned to embrace uncertainty and let go of what no longer served me. The peace I discovered was profound, and I emerged with a renewed sense of purpose, ready to face the world with an open heart. After a week of reflection and connection, I left Kasar Devi not just with memories, but with a profound transformation. The journey taught me that true peace comes from within, and that we all have the capacity to awaken our inner light. In this week, we also visited other hidden gems of Uttarakhand like Golu Devta Temple, Jageshwar Dham, and Patal Bhuvneshwar. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore these together too. If you're seeking spiritual awakening or a moment of tranquility, Let Kasar Devi be your sanctuary. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more journeys that inspire the soul. Your path to inner peace awaits.